Continue crocheting the leaves and flowers. Round 7. Change yarn color. Join new yarn in any stitch. Chain 1. Work 1 single crochet, SC, in same stitch. Chain 4. Skip 2 stitches. Work 1 SC in next stitch. Repeat around 22 loops. SL street to join. Round 8. Chain 1. In each C4 space, work 1 SC, chain 4. SL street into back bump of second chain from hook. Chain 3. Work 1 SC in same space. Repeat around 22 groups. SL street to join, weave ends. Flower petals, make 6. Magic ring, chain 5. Working in back loops only. 1 HDC in third chain from hook. 1 SC in next stitch. 1 SL street in next stitch. 1 SL street into ring. Repeat 5 times, 6 petals. Tighten ring, knot ends. Flower center, magic ring, chain 3. Work 4 unfinished DC into ring. Yarn over, pull through all loops. DC cluster. Tighten ring. Chain 1. Knot ends. Assembly. Glue center to flower. Attach flowers to coaster, space evenly between sections. Let dry completely. Finished.